Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting a clean, dry patch of wall that will hold notes without falling. Start small. Remove one sticky note from the pad, press only the adhesive edge, and attach it at eye level to test adhesion and alignment. Once the test holds, use a light pencil dot or painter's tape as guide points so your rows stay straight. Make sure to choose note size and adhesive strength that match the wall surface and the intended duration of use. With guide points in place, start filling the grid from the top left so visual flow moves naturally. Alternate colors to represent categories or priority. Place higher priority notes on the right or top depending on your reading direction. Once done, slightly overlap the adhesive edge for stronger rows on textured paint, or leave a 1/2 inch gap on smooth surfaces to avoid buckling. Make sure to step back and check legibility and balance, adjusting spacing and color grouping as needed for clarity. To complete the installation, add any permanent labels or headers using larger notes or printed strips. Press each note firmly for 3 seconds to set the adhesive. For longer use, reinforce corners with removable double-sided tape or use repositionable adhesive strips to avoid paint damage. If notes curl or fall, peel one off and clean the surface, then reapply a fresh sticker. If residue remains, dab lightly with rubbing alcohol, dry fully, and use a new adhesive-backed note to finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.